Okay, in the last video I noticed there was an error. Okay, I read this as minus 5 upon 3 root 3 बोल मी root 3 ना root 5 है. Okay, you can see that. Okay, human error है because I was focusing more on the timer. व्हिडिओ खूपच मोठी झाली होती म्हणून जरा मिसस्पेल झालं मला. Okay, your final answer is minus 5 root 5 upon 3. Next, problem number 6, simplify the following surds and give the rationalizing factor. We have already done simplification. Simplification is find the factors of the given radicand and reduce it to the lowest possible radicand. Okay, and once you get the lowest possible radicand, you have to find a number such that by multiplying with that number you can convert this particular surd into a whole number or a rational number. Okay, you'll understand when we go with the problems. Say first problem is root of 32. What is root of 32? 16 twos are 32. Root of 32 is 16 twos are. Here I can also put more steps as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. पण तेवढं नाही केलं मी, जरा शॉर्टकट घेतलं ते. What is 16? 4 4s are 16 into 2. Okay, so since we are getting only one pair of 4 comes outside and root 2 as it is. 4 root 2, it cannot be simplified further. So the simplest possible form of the surds we get. This is the simplest form. Now which number you multiply this surd with a particular number to make it a whole number. Okay, it's your choice. असं काही फिक्स नाही आहे. But what we can do, how to convert this into a whole number. Root 2 ला root 2 मध्ये into केलं तर 2 होईल, बरोबर. Therefore what we do is multiplying with root 2, then we get 4 root 2 into 2 is equal to 4 into 2 is equal to 8, which is a rational number. Therefore root 2 is the rationalizing factor for root 32. Okay, समजलं? Take a still shot. Okay, clear है? चलो लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लेम. प्रॉब्लेम्स थोडे जास्त आहे, हा व्हिडिओ जास्त लांब होणार आहे, डाउनलोड व्हायला वेळ लागेल, तर टेन्शन घेऊ नका. जोक्स आणि फॉरवर्डेड मेसेजचे व्हिडिओ नाही आहे, लर्निंग व्हिडिओज आहे. ऑफकोर्स MB जास्त आहे याच्यामध्ये, GB पर्यंत जातो आपले व्हिडिओज. डाउनलोड व्हायला वेळ लागेलच. इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन हाऊ फास्ट अँड हाऊ गुड कनेक्शन यू हॅव. डेटा कनेक्शन आय एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. घरी वायफाय आहे तर चांगलंच आहे, उत्तम आहे. जर नाही आहे तर घराच्या बाहेर निघायचं आणि डाउनलोड करून घ्यायचं पटापट. ओके, ओपनमध्ये डाउनलोड पटापट होईल. आय होप आय वोंट गेट द एक्सक्यूज अगेन, सर डाउनलोड होत नाही आहे, 2 दिवस लागले, डाउनलोड नाही झालं. आय डोंट वॉन्ट टू लिसन टू दिस फेक एक्सक्यूजेस अगेन. ओके, नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लेम, रूट 50. रूट 50 इज इक्वल टू रूट 50चं काय करायचं. इफ यू गेट बिगर नंबर्स, okay, don't worry, if you get bigger numbers always go for the factorization method to find the factors. Now here what I am having is 2 into 5 into 2, sorry, 5 into 5 into 2. Why? Because 25 twos are 50. 5, one pair of 5 comes out is equal to 5 root 2. Okay, यार कैमरा से नहीं दिख रहा है, यहाँ से देख साइड से. This is the required simplest form of surd, बरोबर. So now multiplying with root 2 we get 5 root 2 into 2 is equal to 5 twos are, then you get answer 10. This is a rational number. Therefore root 2 is the rationalizing factor of root 50. Next problem, root 27. 27 is again 9 3s are 27. Root 9 into 3. 9 is again, I can make more steps here, is equal to root of 3 into 3 into 3. One pair of 3 comes out. Okay, steps increase करू शकतो मी, but the problem is going to come for 2 marks. Even 2-3 स्टेपमध्ये फिनिश केलं तरी चालेल, not an issue. This problem comes only for 2 marks. Okay, this is the simplest form, 3 root 3. Therefore multiplying 3 root 3 with root 3 we get 3 root 3 into root 3. That becomes root 3 becomes 3. This becomes 3 into 3 is equal to 9, which is a rational number. Therefore root 3 is the rationalizing factor for root 27. रिमेंबर दिस स्टेटमेंट, दिस स्टेटमेंट यू हॅव टू राईट, कारण 2 मार्कामध्ये तुम्हाला इफ यू डोंट राईट दिस फायनल आन्सर, √3 is the rationalizing factor for √27. You don't write this, teacher will give you only 1 mark. Okay, now we have problem number 4. 3/5 √10. This is already in its simplest form, √10. √10 simplest form मध्ये √10 आपण फॅक्टर घेतला तर काय होईल, 5 2s are 10. ओके, 5 पण बाहेर येणार नाही, 2 पण बाहेर येणार नाही, सो नो नीड ऑफ टेकिंग. दिस इज ऑलरेडी इन इट्स सिम्पलेस्ट फॉर्म. Therefore, multiplying the third with √10, we get what we get, 3/5 into √10 into √10 becomes 10. So 5 1s are 5 2s are 10, 3 2s are 6. 6 is a rational number. Therefore, तो स्टेटमेंट मी इथे लिहिलेला नाही आहे, माझे 1 मार्क्स गेले. ओके, तुम्ही घालवू नका. यू हॅव टू राईट फायनल आन्सर. √10 is the rationalizing factor for the given surd, 3/5 √10. Okay, next problem, 3√27, that is 72 चा factors. ओके, जस्ट फॉर युअर रेफरन्स आय हॅव डन इट फॉर यू. फॅक्टर्स बघून घ्या, स्टील शॉट आहे तुम्हाला. ओके, इझी आहे. 3 × 3 × 2 × 2 × 2. So 1 pair of 3, 1 pair of 2. 3 and 2 comes out. 3 as it is we are having into 3 into 2, √2. That is equal to 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. 18 √2. Okay, this is the simplest form possible. Now multiplying 18 √2 with √2, we get 18 √2 into √2 is equal to 18 into 2, that is 36, which is a rational number. Therefore, statement √2 is the rationalizing factor of 3√72. Okay, done. Clear hai? Take a still shot. Clear. Let's move to the next problem, problem number 6, which is the last problem. Okay, root of 11. 11 is a prime number. Okay, so this is already in its simplest form. Since the given number is a prime number, therefore √11 is already in the simplest form of its surds. Therefore, multiplying surd 4√11 with √11, what we get, 4√11 into 11 is equal to 4 into 11 is equal to 42, which is a rational number. Therefore, the final statement, therefore √11 is the rationalizing factor of 4√11. बरोबर, चलो ठीक है. Now next we are going with simplification of surds. Simplification of surds दिसायला हार्ड है पण अजिबात हार्ड नहीं है. ओके, इट इज़ वेरी इजी. You have to follow the steps simply and automatically all the problems will be solved. Continue in the next video. Take a still shot of this particular thing. That is problem number 6. Okay, दिसतंय? काहीच नाही त्याच्यामध्ये, डायरेक्ट बोलायचं आहे. इट इज इन ऑलरेडी इन द सिम्पलेस्ट फॉर्म. देअरफॉर मल्टिप्लाय विथ द गिवन रॅडिकंट अगेन √11. यू गेट 4√11 इंटू √11 इज इक्वल टू 4 इंटू 11 इज इक्वल टू 44. आणि आपलं बाय हार्ट केलेला स्टेटमेंट, √11 is the rationalizing factor for 4√11. Okay, chalo. Next problem we start in next video.